How to create Sora 2 video on a Mac. So Sora 2 is available only in the United States, so we will have to reach that. And I'm gonna use the browser version, so simply type here Sora and it will open you this Sora 2 app. Right now I'm already logged in. I don't provide here an invite link, so you have to get it yourself. And once you are here in this area, you can describe your video, but also you have to open settings and you can select the duration, 15 or 10 seconds, and you can also change the orientation if you want the portrait or landscape. So for YouTube Shorts or Instagram you can use portrait. So let me create some random video. So for example, some random one, elderly people rushing into grocery store with a shopping cart, aggressive. It's pretty simple and short, and I'm gonna generate it. So click here and it was added to creation, and you can click on this left sidebar. If you click it, you will see here your drafts and the video is generating, so wait until it's created. And after about 2 minutes, the video is almost created. And this is the final result of that creation of that short prompt which I typed there.
Not if I beat you to it. What's your card, Harold? You're not clipping my ankles again. Then pick up the pace, Margaret. I am.
So it's pretty random because my prompt was quite short, but you can customize your prompt and adjust every single thing in that video. So that's how you can do it, and if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.